สั่งอะไรมาครับอะไรนะผัดกระเพราเนื้อเป็ดปกตินะเอาไข่เดาด้วยแล้วก็ผัดกระเพราหมูไข่เดาเหมือนกันแล้วก็ผัดกระเพราซีฟู้ดผัดกระเพราทะเลนะไข่เดาเหมือนกันแต่ผัดกระเพราทะเลไม่เป็ดนะไม่ต้องใส่พริกนะเมื่อก่อนมากินที่นี่นะนั่นน่ะสั่งไม่เป็ดแล้วก็เป็ดเสิร์ฟเป็ดนี่อันนี้สไปซี่
เป็ดโอเค
โอเคผัดกระเพราหมูกับผัดกระเพราทะเลไม่เป็ดนะไม่ต้องใส่พริกเลยผัดกระเพราเนื้ออย่างเดียวสไปซี่นะเอาอะไรเครื่องดื่มลูกนะชิงเครื่องดื่มGuys, nandito kami ngayon sa Phuket Old Town with Kun Carol and my anak si mag-hi ka. My anak si Mark and dito kami sa aming pinaka-paboritong one of our favorite Thai restaurant dito sa Phuket Old Town, Toy To. So order na kami guys. Sang alaya ka? Ani alaya?
Stir-fried wagyu beef.
Okay, I'll pet my cat.
Pet Pukati.
Pet Pukati. Kung you
my pet.
Alaya? Alaya? Mu? Mu ah? Pork ah?
Egg well done.
Lakang ao kay daw may kalu. Kay daw atche. Amat kay daw.
Kay daw soup.
Soup mai?
Soup.
Anak si ao may fried egg kay daw. Sangอะไรมาครับอะไรนะผัดกระเพราเนื้อเป็ดปกตินะเอาไข่เดาด้วยแล้วก็ผัดกระเพราหมูไข่เดาเหมือนกันแล้วก็ผัดกระเพราซีฟู้ดผัดกระเพราทะเลนะไข่เดาเหมือนกันแต่ผัดกระเพราทะเลไม่เป็ดนะไม่ต้องใส่พริกนะเมื่อก่อนมากินที่นี่นะนั่นน่ะสั่งไม่เป็ดแล้วก็เป็ดเสิร์ฟเป็ดนี่อันนี้สไปซี่
เป็ดโอเค
โอเคผัดกระเพราหมูกับผัดกระเพราทะเลไม่เป็ดนะไม่ต้องใส่พริกเลยผัดกระเพราเนื้ออย่างเดียวสไปซี่นะเอาอะไรเครื่องดื่มลูกนะชิงเครื่องดื่ม drink sorry อันนี้
passion fruit smoothie
อ๋อแล้วก็smoothie mang sa passion fruit na.
Mas gusto ko to kay Sir Confresh.
Ikaw? Chadam.แล้วก็chayin.
Hindi siya kasi polluted lang naman.
Lang.
Ano naman yung chicken please?
Hapon ka.
Hi, I'm back in.
Bilis ang service nila dito. Andito ng aming order na Thai food. Yan. So, ang in-order ko is pat krapao seafood or pat krapao tale with kai dao. And of course, my atche, traveling chef, atche. Pakita mo yan. Mu means? Pork. Pat krapao mu. Yan. And chadam. And also my favorite Thai milk tea chayin. And anak si Mark. What did you order?
Pat krapao wagyu.
Pat krapao beef. Yeah. In Thai word, pat krapao นื้อis beef. Yeah. And your passion fruit.
Mango passion fruit.
Yeah. Passion fruit smoothie. Yeah. So, kinkaw anak si. Yeah.
Thank you Lord sa pagkain.
Thank you Lord sa food at banding ng aking mga friendship forever. Yan, and guys, usually dito sa Thailand pag nag-order ng Thai food, meron silang prik nampla or fish sauce. Prik nampla or fish sauce. O dahil dyan, magkakasamang banding tayo. Cheers tayo guys. Cheers! Ano? Chonkeo ka. Parang konti ngayon yung serving nila ngayon. Ano ba ako?
Grabe yung dagan, no?
Parang masarap yung beef alu mo.
Hindi mo.
Okay. Tikman mo.
Baka po kaya ate.
Tikman ka rin ng pork. Sige man tayo. Maalat.
Along?
Ha?
Hindi, haluan mo kanin.
Ano yung kanin?
Yan nga ang ano.
Actually, regular customer na kami ni Kun Carol dito. Di ba, Che?
Yeah.
In fairness, masarap din talaga ang ulam. Tsaka ano, ang maganda dito guys sa Tortoito Restaurant. Magandang view kasi nandito ka mismong highway dito sa Phuket Old Town. Ito yung usually na dinarayo ng mga turista dito sa area ng Phuket Town. Tapos every Sunday mayroon siyang street market, night market diyan sa area na yan, guys. Sobrang haba niyan. Mamaya mag-set up na sila, guys. Yan, ang tinatawag nila ng Ladyay Market. Yan, order sa anak siya ng rice.
Ano lang?
Kapaw. Luncheon. Sige na.
Pick up.
Pick up. Kapaw luncheon.
Kaukaw ng chat ka? Kaukaw ng chat.
Hindi, kapaw luncheon. Yung mga staff nila. Yan. Kilala na nila ako dito, guys. So far, anak siya, kumusta naman ang pagkrapaw? Hindi nga, beef.
Aloy mak.
Aloy mak na. At siya, punta na. Ano?
Aloy.
Tama yung amin sa aloy mak, ha?
Aloy mak.
Sarap. Sobrang sarap. In fairness, ang Thai food talaga masarap talaga.
Sarap talaga.
Yung totoo. No? At siya na. Yeah, compare naman sa Filipino food. Inaano yung Filipino food. Baka ibas na ako dahil, di ba? Ino-okray ko yung Filipino food. Pero sa totoo lang talaga, guys, sa tagal ko na rito sa Thailand, yan, sobrang tagal na talagang masasabi ko talaga na Thai food is the best food for me in the world. So guys, ito yung itsura ng kanilang restaurant. Newly renovated restaurant, guys. Hindi ganito yung itsura niya dati. And sobrang gumanda at maliwalas. And of course, ang view, and sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda, nasa gilid lang ng kalsada. Yan. Yan, guys. Yan. And yan. So, tapos silang kumain. And then, at i-rate mo yung pagkain nila. 8. And drinks?
Ay, ito.
Yan, drinks. 1 to 10. 9. And si Atche, food 8, drinks 9. And ang first timer na kumain dito sa restaurant na to sa aking anak siya, Mark. Mark, ang food mo, ba't sa Toby? Kumusta ang ratings?
8.5.
8.5, matawa. Hindi ka naman naawa. And how about your main passion fruit smoothie?
Sa drink siguro 7.
7, yung yung presentation, yung
7 siya.
yung lagayan. Para sa akin din naman din, ang rate ko ng Pat Krapaw seafood nila is 9. And yung drinks ko, 9 din. Masarap. And yung atsura ng restaurant, in fairness, 9 na rin. Hindi, gumanda siya, no?
Ay, maganda.
Oo, gumanda siya. Yeah. And mamaya i-ano ko sa inyo, sasabihin ko sa inyo kung magkano yung babayaran namin, guys. Yan, guys, so tapos na kaming kumain ni Kun Carol, ang aking anak shi dito sa restaurant na to. So yung binayaran namin, guys, is magkano yung binayaran natin lahat, French chef? 510. Yan, imagine mo yung tatlong dish, tatlong drink at saka may rice, 510 baht na. Yan, so hanggang dyan lang ang aking vlog, food vlog, Thai food vlog dito sa Phuket Old Town, Atche. Bye! Magbalik na din. Yan, I hope you like my content. And dami nyo natututunang mga Thai food dito sa aking Facebook page and YouTube channel. Yan. Bye, anak shi. Bye-bye na. Magbay ka na.